Did you know the food you eat every day can help lower blood pressure naturally? Let's explore the best ones for heart health. High blood pressure is one of the biggest risk factors for heart disease, but the right diet can make a powerful difference. In this video, we share the everyday foods that help lower blood pressure naturally, supported by science and nutrition research. You'll discover the best foods for lowering blood pressure, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and heart-healthy nutrients that promote circulation and reduce strain on the cardiovascular system. We'll also explain how to make simple dietary changes to lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health without relying on medication. These natural nutrition strategies are easy to include in your daily meals and can support long-term health, vitality, and disease prevention. Learn how to lower blood pressure naturally with everyday foods and take control of your heart health. Bananas are nature's perfect potassium package, containing over 400 milligrams per fruit. Potassium helps your kidneys remove excess sodium, directly reducing pressure on your blood vessel walls. Oranges and grapefruits provide both potassium and vitamin C, supporting healthy blood vessel function. One medium orange delivers nearly 250 milligrams of potassium plus antioxidants that protect your cardiovascular system. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are potassium powerhouses with additional heart protective compounds. These vegetables contain nitrates that help relax blood vessels and improve circulation throughout your body. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides over 800 milligrams of potassium, more than most supplements. Add these greens to smoothies, salads, or saute them with garlic for maximum flavor and nutrition. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that actively helps lower both cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies show eating oats regularly can reduce systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points in just 6 weeks. Top your oatmeal with berries and nuts for additional potassium, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats. The soluble fiber in oats also helps you feel full longer, supporting healthy weight management. Brown rice provides magnesium and fiber that work together to support healthy blood pressure levels. Quinoa is a complete protein that also delivers potassium, magnesium, and heart protective antioxidants. These whole grains help stabilize blood sugar, reducing stress on your cardiovascular system. Replace refined grains with these nutrient-dense options to maximize your heart health benefits. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Blueberries have been shown to reduce blood pressure by up to 5 points when eaten regularly. Strawberries provide vitamin C and potassium, while their natural sweetness satisfies cravings without added sugar. Add berries to smoothies, oatmeal, or enjoy them fresh as a heart-healthy snack throughout the day. Pomegranates contain unique compounds that help improve blood flow, reduce arterial stiffness. Tart cherries provide natural compounds that help reduce inflammation and support healthy sleep patterns. Both fruits offer natural nitrates that help your blood vessels relax and improve circulation. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol while supporting healthy blood pressure. One avocado contains nearly 1,000 milligrams of potassium, more than a large banana. Nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and magnesium that work together to support cardiovascular health. Walnuts are especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide omega-3s that significantly reduce blood pressure. Studies show eating fish twice weekly can lower systolic blood pressure by 4 to 5 points. The omega-3s in fish help your blood vessels stay flexible and reduce harmful inflammation. Choose wild-caught fish when possible for the highest omega-3 content and best flavor. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure naturally. Studies show consuming garlic regularly can reduce blood pressure by up to 10 points in people with hypertension. For maximum benefit, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate the allicin. Combine garlic with fresh herbs like basil and oregano for additional antioxidants and flavor. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonoids that help improve blood vessel function. Research shows consuming dark chocolate can reduce blood pressure by 2-3 points over several weeks. Limit portions to 1 ounce daily to get benefits without excess calories or sugar. Choose unsweetened cocoa powder for smoothies or hot drinks to maximize flavonoid content. Beets are rich in natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and expand. Drinking beet juice can lower blood pressure within hours and provide lasting benefits with regular consumption. Roasted beets make a delicious addition to salads while providing the same heart-healthy nitrates. Both the roots and greens are beneficial, so don't throw away those nutrient-rich beet tops. Greek yogurt provides probiotics and potassium that support both digestive and cardiovascular health. Studies link regular yogurt consumption to reduce blood pressure and improved heart health markers. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties and add your own fresh fruit to avoid excess added sugars. The combination of probiotics, protein, and minerals in yogurt provides more benefits than supplements alone. High blood pressure can be improved with simple nutrition changes. In this video, I share the everyday foods that help lower blood pressure naturally, along with tips to support long-term heart health. Plan your meals around these heart-healthy foods to ensure you're getting consistent blood pressure benefits. Batch cooking grains, roasting vegetables, and preparing snacks ahead saves time and supports healthy choices. Dedicate 1 day per week to preparing heart-healthy meals and snacks for busy weekdays. Make simple swaps like choosing whole grains over refined fresh fruit over processed snacks. Reduce sodium by flavoring foods with herbs, spices, citrus, and vinegar instead of salt. Read labels carefully and choose foods with less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. Stock your pantry with heart-healthy staples to make nutritious meals quick and convenient. Start your day with a smoothie containing berries, leafy greens, and a banana for an instant potassium boost. Keep portion-controlled servings of nuts handy for heart-healthy snacking between meals. Involve your family in meal preparation to build lasting, heart-healthy habits for everyone. Stay hydrated with water instead of sugary drinks to support overall cardiovascular health. Track your progress with regular blood pressure monitoring to see how dietary changes are helping. Combine these dietary changes with regular physical activity for maximum blood pressure benefits. Choose fresh seasonal produce when possible for maximum nutrient content and flavor. Keep a food diary to identify which heart-healthy foods work best for your individual needs. Share your heart-healthy journey with friends and family for motivation and accountability. Exchange recipes and cooking tips with others who are also focused on heart health. Consider joining cooking classes or online communities focused on heart-healthy nutrition. Work with your healthcare provider to monitor progress and adjust your approach as needed. Simple foods can make a powerful difference for your heart. Hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on the bell for more natural health tips. Comment below which heart-healthy food do you eat most often. Comment below which foods do you include in your diet for a healthier heart. Let's share ideas and learn from each other.